Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here again at Myro, seeing what's going on. This is an interesting one. We have an invalidation for this cup and handle pattern because the price is supposed to come down and bounce off this key level support, which is basically 0.008 cents even. We didn't get that, so the price broke down below that. We can presume that 8 cents might be the new resistance. We're also traveling within the cloud too, which isn't fantastic. So we're going to keep an eye on a few things. Keep in mind, we could very well see a larger handle pattern play out here, but once more, time will tell. Okay, so for right now, that's generally where we're at there. We'll go ahead and double check a few key factors in larger time frames. So if you are new to the channel, just know I'm not a financial advisor. I love to teach people to trade. Hope you can learn something here today, and obviously you want to become a better trader. CryptoCash.tech is the site. Link down below. We got a lot of new members coming over to our community from actually watching my Myro videos, so welcome aboard. We do have Chainlink profits 72%, 46% for a previous one, and then of course some healthy profits here today too. With some scalps. XRP, little 6%, 7% BNB, ADA 7%, Matic 7%, another ETH 7, almost 8% there. Solana, Chainlink, been taking some nice profits here today with our day trading. That's our scalping bot that I have. That's basically just following my day trading strategy. So if you're curious about that, please read through our signals guide if you're new to the community. Check this out. I got all the instructions here. If you need to know, it's important to recognize that. My trades are structured different than the average person, okay? And that's, again, just sustaining the market. That's all there is to it, folks, because this is a crazy market. We want to make sure we are aware of manipulation. And a lot of it's occurring here recently, but let's double check the daily time frame to confirm a few things here. So we had that little money flow index bounce there off of that like $10 mark. Sorry, I say $10. At 10 is the number. And then we can see traditional RSI came and bounced off of 30, but never fully came down that low, but also hasn't broken over 50. So the key takeaway here is that even though stochastic is swinging up and the MACD is converging, we don't have full-on confirmation that we've broken this descending trend yet. Okay, so we just got to be mindful of that. One good day does not mean that everything's just totally all said and done, right? Good news is, if you look at smaller time frames, we've broken above this descending trend line, so that is a fantastic sign. In fact, let's look at that right now, so you can kind of see and understand. We have a descending trend here, essentially running concurrent with previously with the moving averages. We can kind of see that running average here with the 50-day SMA. So the truth is, unless we get above the 50-day SMA, we're not going to really be on the right side of tracks. But between now and then, we can presume that the 20-day will hold, and that should likely continue to bring the price action higher. Okay, that's generally the concept there, but that being above the 20 is an important factor. That's kind of an initial trend reversal. Okay, so being above that is important. It's never an exact science, so you guys got to recognize that, but generally speaking, that's a positive sign. Taking a look at the 4-hour time frame, we can see a significant stochastic divergence, but money flow index is very high. That implies a lot of money is coming into this coin, and that's still a very good sign. Okay. Now, again, a lot of it's because we're at a very low average price of 7 cents, and that has a tendency of bringing in a lot more people because they can afford it now, or they can afford more, right? So keep in mind there's that too, but we're under 50 on the RSI, typically a bearish sign. MACD is diverging but hasn't fully diverged yet. So a lot of reasons why we cannot celebrate this just yet, but we are holding steady at this 0.5 fib level at about 7 cents. So I would say a solid closure today at 7 cents would be a starting point. A potential pivot or bounce from there. But looking at the hourly, we want to double check this too. Ichimoku Cloud, this is an interesting one here because of how hard the price had moved up. But generally speaking, we can see here that we're losing momentum. We've got the conversion line below the baseline. Lagging span is free and clear, and we're within a cloud. So we are moments away from a short position being viable again. Okay, so I'm not saying to necessarily short at this point. It's kind of risky in my opinion because we're still within the cloud. But the lack of better terms here, we got full-on confirmation that we are definitely in a bearish type of divergence, but we are all still holding above this descending trend line too, and that can work as a support. Furthermore, too, we also got this interesting little pattern here as well, where we got this descending type of wedge, where the price action is working itself into a wedge, and is much more likely to break bullish than bearish, okay? Because again, it originated from the downside. So a lot of reasons why we have more positivity, more benefit of the price continuing higher, because again, there's no other way around it. We got a lot of bearish divergences, but the truth is here, we got some nice bullish little potential with some patterns, but also this 0.5 fib level here at about 7 cents even holding strong. So to me, a closure above 7 cents today and a break above the cloud would give us confirmation. Once more, we want to be back up over 8 cents, which would put us right here. And again, we draw this little trend line out, we can kind of see that that's kind of the point we want to be back up above. So to me, I'm going to feel much more confident with a closure today or tomorrow at about 8 cents or higher. That would give me confirmation that I would be looking for to to confirm an uptrend. It would also confirm that we're above this volume profile, giving us more strength in considering long. So I think we're still a little premature at this point, but once again, stranger things can happen. But I think this this pattern plus 0.5 on fib holding strong is a pretty good start. That's generally where we're at there. So that's about what we got here from Myro, folks. Awesome stuff. Thanks again to my community members for their amazing feedback. Super supportive over the Myro group or crew or crowd, whatever you want to call it. They're also using Bitunix too as well. And not necessarily to buy Myro, because I think that's going to be added to the exchange soon. But just in general, if you have KYC or VPN requirements, look no further. Awesome exchange. Nice rewards there if you use the link to register. Other than that, folks, that's pretty much what we got. We'll go ahead and check this out again tomorrow. Hope that you learned something here today. Thanks again for your time. We'll look forward to seeing the next one. Take care.